All right, guys, we got a 2014 Accord with a broken engine mount, completely shot. The engine mount is completely shot. So we're gonna replace that side engine mount. So the tools you're gonna need is extension. This is a 1/2-inch drive. You can use a ratchet. I'm gonna be using an impact gun. Swivel head in the front. If you don't have a swivel head, you could use 17 millimeters with that, or you could simply just use a 17 millimeter swivel. So let's put this swivel away. So pretty much that's all I need. Okay, and then I got my car on the lift here. Got my engine mount right here. Notice the engine mount has 2 holes on one side and 1 on the opposite side. So that's how you see you got 2 bolts on one side and 1 bolt on the opposite side. Let's leave this mount just like that. So here's the part number on this mount. Okay, that's the brand I'm using right there. Westart, nothing else I could find. There's the part number. That goes to the garbage. So got my car hoisted and I got this floor jack right on the oil pan, and I put a little wood to support the engine. So we're gonna just lift the engine up a bit, but all we need to do is just yank it a bit and the engine should just lift up just like that. Anyways, let's knock this baby out. To start off, I got my impact gun right here. I'm gonna put it in reverse, and we're gonna reach from right over here. We're gonna bang out that 1 bolt. Whoops. I'm gonna try to bounce, but eventually, just be careful with the AC line. This baby should come loose. Okay, so 2013 to 2017 is the same. Above that, it changes a bit. You just don't have enough clearance. But if the mount is the same, I'm not sure if it's the same setup. But if you see that your engine mount is the same, I got a car coming in. I got a 2019 Accord coming in later, 4-cylinder. It says the same engine, just a turbo, and I'll show you guys a little bit of clip on that. So this bolt comes off. Make sure you keep it to the side. This goes on the top. So they are probably different, but look at this engine mount. This mount is done deal. Look at this. So this is what we're replacing right here. Okay, there it is. There's nothing left on this baby. Okay, there it is. Let's put this to the side here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the 2 bolts and 1 over here on this side, and simply let's fish out the 1 on this side. Like I said, you don't need no impact gun here. If you want to do it by hand, you can do it by hand. We got this baby right there. So 1 bolt completely comes off and it falls to the ground. Let's go look for it. Be careful where you put in tools again. You don't want to hit this radiator stuff here. So there's our 1 bolt. So we got the top bolt. We got this bolt. We're gonna just leave it to that side. Now, if you need to turn this baby, you can turn this so it doesn't bother you. And what we're gonna do is, let's take off this baby right here. Very easy. And this baby. Very easy. The hard job might be lining the new mount, and that'd be the most hardest part. So keep all the bolts in order. And this little guy right here. There you go. And this mount will come out. Let's lift the engine up a bit. See that? You don't want to force it too much either, just a tiny bit, because the bottom of this mount, see this? Hollow like that. So let's throw this to the side and make sure the surface is clean, nice and clean. Okay, there's something that we're not gonna eat off. So like I said, let's take our new mount, inspect your new mount. It's nice and good. Okay, I'm not a fan of these Westart mounts, but it is what it is. So this baby's in there, and we're just gonna slip it right in there. So it's gonna be a little bit different now because now we got the whole mount assembled. So let's jack up the jack a bit more. We're gonna jack as much as we need, okay? And that's it. Okay, and my lift just popped. There you go. And it's a hydraulic mount, so it does have fluid inside, so you don't want to break nothing, jam anything. So right now everything is nice and free. So what we'll do is we'll start taking the bolts and start putting the bolts in. There you go. 1, Oops. Let me grab the second bolt. So we're not locking nothing up yet. We're gonna take this, well, this is the top bolt here that goes here. So that might be the, we can put it right now. You see it, like I said, the mount is loose, so we can even move this around wherever we like. We're gonna take this other opposite side bolt from right over here. We should be able to get it in there. There you go. I might not be able to reach in there, but my extension here, this baby can reach in there. So if you can reach in there, good. If not, it's all right. Just use your extension here, just like that. Okay, there you go. Make sure you catch the threads because you don't want to damage anything, cross-thread anything. So we're caught on. We're pretty much caught on everything. So what I want to do here is, oops, phone is ringing. We'll get to the phone. So what I want to do here is, I want to tighten this top bolt first before anything, and then make sure it's like grooved in right there. And after that, I'm gonna let the engine go down, and we'll just bang out the 3 bolts. Reassembled my impact gun with the extension here. Now we're gonna tighten this baby. So let's get this baby on, and I got this on reverse. So click, clickety clock, hand tight. If you need Torx back, this is no more than 23 foot-pounds. Baby's in. Now what I want to do is I want to release my jack, and the car goes down, so everything sits, so all the weight of the engine is on this mount. Bang. Zoom. And we're all done. 20 minutes, under 20 minutes, the job is well done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys need more help, it's all up to you. Send me a message. See you guys on the next one.